BabyTales.
Hello! Welcome back to our artistic voyage. Today, we're setting sail on the high seas as we draw and color a majestic pirate ship. Get ready to channel your inner swashbuckler and bring this vessel to life with bold colors and daring details. Let's start by sketching the outline of our pirate ship. Picture its sturdy hull, billowing sails, and menacing jolly Roger flag. Use light strokes to map out the basic shapes and proportions. Remember, this ship is our ticket to adventure on the open seas. Now, let's add some swashbuckling details to our ship. Sketch in the windows, cannons, ropes, and any other features you'd like to include. Think about the rugged charm and ruggedness of a pirate vessel. The more details, the better. Time to give our pirate ship some color. Choose bold and vibrant hues that reflect the spirit of adventure. Deep browns for the hull, rich reds for the sails, and dark grays for the cannons. Don't be afraid to get creative with your color choices. Every pirate ship has its own unique character, so don't be afraid to add your own flair to your artwork. Let your imagination run wild and make this ship your own. Have it our magnificent pirate ship ready to set sail on its next daring adventure. We've transformed a blank canvas into a vessel fit for a pirate king. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art, adventures. Until next time, fair winds and following seas, and may your creativity continue to soar like a pirate ship on the open ocean.